Interconnectable Photoelectric Smoke Alarms by Legrand. Stay alert and save lives with early fire detection thanks to Legrand's Interconnectable Photoelectric Smoke Alarm range. Photoelectric technology detects visible particles of combustion to alert occupants to smouldering fires and dense smoke to allow adequate time to escape to safety. Interconnected smoke alarms provide the best protection for alerting occupants, as when one alarm sounds, all interconnected smoke alarms sound simultaneously. Available in wide or radio frequency RF, wireless, interconnectable models for installation flexibility. Connect up to 20 smoke alarms together. Fully compliant with Australian standards and active fire certified. Features a sealed mesh protector to prevent fine dust particles and insects from entering the chamber and triggering false alarms. A retrofit mounting base allows for easy upgrade from an existing Legrand smoke alarm to a new RF model. Meet the range. Our battery-powered model offers installation flexibility with no electrical wiring required. Stay alert and save lives with Legrand's photoelectric smoke alarms.